Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here checking out this 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. We got it in that white and Sea Ray blue color scheme as you can see on the side. You guys climb aboard and let's check it out. Welcome aboard, guys. As you can see, we're on the back, on the swim platform of the 21 SPX here. So as you see where I'm standing and throughout the entirety of the boat, you do have the SeaDek flooring. So that will cover bow to stern there. That's adhesed down, so it's super absorbent, super easy to clean. It's an awesome feature to have throughout the boat like this. Back here, this boat is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury Outboard. We got it in that pretty white color, matches the top side of the boat. I'm going to slowly make my way into the cockpit and show you guys where you have some massive lounging areas. Back here on the back towards the swim platform and right in front once you enter the cockpit in here as well. And then when you pop this up, because it is the outboard model, you've got a nice big storage area down there. All right. As we climb on board, you can see we're getting plenty of shade from the canopy on top of our sports tower here. This tower will fold down and hang about just above the windshield. And then up underneath this seat is dedicated cooler space, so it'll slide right underneath there, makes it for an easy in and out when you're out on the boat. Storage underneath all the seats that you see, as well as a couple shoe areas in the walkway. And then one of the features that this 21 SPX is optioned with is the blue LED light package. So you've got LEDs in the cup holders as well as underneath your seat bases. Nice swivel captain's chair with a flip-up bolster. And as you take a look at the helm, you can see that nice wide Simrad screen. That is a new offer for 2026 here. First one I've seen with it, and it takes up the dash and makes it look super sleek. As I make my way through the center walk-through up here, you can see you do have some storage on the port side there. Got our fenders and covers stashed in there right now. And then up here in the bow, you've got storage underneath both of these seats, a small storage box in there, and then dedicated anchor storage way up here at the bow. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.